can anyone hear me? So if you can hear me, please let me know in the comment section. I can see Young Light said we are live waiting. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. So today, let me do a quick. All right. So today we are still looking at technical analysis using price action, and my name remains Tunmise Olaoluwa. Um, okay, so yeah, a quick disclaimer. Any opinion, news, research, price analysis, or other informations shared on this webinar or linked to this presentation is provided as a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. All right. So a quick intro about me. My name is Tunmise Olaoluwa, and then I have 7 years trading experience with solid background in finance and quantitative research. So my trading result has been consistently profitable across various strategies. I frequently trade price action, momentum, trend, and candlestick patterns, primarily focusing on three currency pairs, which is EURUSD, GBP USD, and USDJPY currency pairs. Now, what's the agenda here? So we're going to discuss the use of top-down strategy, review EURUSD currency pair, review price movement on EURUSD, and also review currency suggested by the audience and take Q&As as questions and answer. All right, this session lasts for 45 minutes and it will be live on our YouTube, and use the YouTube chats, the live YouTube chats, to ask your question during this webinar. All right, so now our strategy will be focused on analyzing historical price movement. We'll also utilize candlestick formations, chart patterns, and market structures. Also, the kind of traders this is suitable for is position traders, intraday traders, and swing traders. All right. Now, when to use it? Now, during high liquidity period, time frame from 1 hour to monthly time frame will be used. All right. So now let's get straight to our live trading session. Okay. So here we are on the OctaTrader, which is a trading platform on OctaFS, recently launched, and I bet you would really love it. So as you can see here now, we are already on the platform. So here we are looking at EURUSD. So I have my favorite pairs in this star symbol. So when I click on this star symbol now, I've already highlighted some of my favorite pairs. So you see, we have EURUSD, USDJPY, and GBP USD. All right. So starting with EURUSD. Yeah. So here we go. So on the right hand side we have our space where you can see updates on fundamentals, updates on each of these currency pairs. All right, good. So now let's be starting with the higher time frame, of which we are now using to, we'll now do more like a top-down approach coming from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So let's start with the daily time frame. Yeah. So right on the daily time frame here, we can see market has moved. Let's see. Okay. All right. So here now we can see where market is currently at. Okay, let me get this. So there was a breakout from this level. Okay. Okay, good. I think is what I'm looking for. All right, so here now we've seen that USD has gotten to one of the um, all-time high in a long time, and currently at that level here, we can see how price has been. You know, today we see price a bit rejecting at that level because that level, which is a very strong resistance level at the top here. Okay, so here now we can see how price has been rejecting because when we go down to the lower time frame, okay, good. So now we can see the supplies, the demand zone at this level here. Sorry, the level here is the supply zone. All right, and at this supply zone now we can see that let me put this. Okay, feel. All right. All right. So now we can see that at this level here, let me make this white so that it can be obvious. Um, okay, so we can see that at this level here now, the supply zone. So let's try it. Supply zone. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that zone. I want you guys to be able to follow me. Supply zone. Supply zone are also resistance zone. Resistance level. All right. Yeah, let's make this white. Let it be bolder. All right. So good. So here now we can see. Yeah, this is this level. All right. Good. So now we can see how price has got into this supply zone and reversed. Okay, and right here we can see the sell momentum in the candlestick. So because when we look closely here now, we can see this huge drop on this 4 hours time frame, giving us that that assurance of a sell momentum, right, that has come in on Euro USD at this level. Okay, good. So now what are you looking at doing here when you see price is one at a resistance zone, two, there is a sell momentum in that has been shown in the candlestick on the resistance zone. So what do you want to do as a trader here? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna short. All right. So place a sell. I've placed a sell on Euro USD on this level. All right, and of course my target would be the next support zone. And where is the next support zone? Okay, the next support zone. I'm sorry. Yeah. The next support zone. That's like saying demand zone. I'm going to sell at the next support level. Okay. So I'll be selling at the next support level. Where is the next support level? This level. All right. So what would I be doing here now? I'm going to set my take profit, which is going to be 1.10209, and I'm going to set my stop loss, which is going to be 1.11534. All right. So how do you set a stop loss on the OctaTrader platform? So you come here and you click on pending orders. Then you try and set your take profit and stop loss. Okay. So here now, I want to set my stop loss at 536. Okay, as you can see, that's wait no, I'm selling, so my stop loss, this is my stop loss. Okay, I think there is wait a minute. Okay, okay, okay. So here already, I would now come here and click on set my take profit level. I can come here to drag it, all right, down to the line of my preference, and also come here to drag this, down to the line of my preference. All right. So okay, I think okay. So I click on the current order. So this is what we're gonna do. If you are using the OctaTrader platform, you click on your current order, then you have this pop out asking you if you want to edit your order. Then you come here and adjust the take profit to your preferred zone. So here I'm taking my take profit to this zone, all right, and then my stop loss, I'm taking my stop loss to the level at which I want it. So what do I do from here? I click on these confirm changes, and when I do that, the order is being set. All right. So what happens when price goes to the take profit level? It closes the market, you know, at $26 profit, and when it goes against me, it closes the market at 13, dollar loss. All right. So this is more like my take profit is twice, my stop loss, right? Which is, one of the ideal thing. All right. So your stop loss shouldn't be larger or almost the same size your take profit level. Okay. So because we are trying to use the 2-to-1 ratio, risk to reward ratio. So you are looking at, okay, risking one, you know one, or like more like risking 1 to 2 of your reward. All right. So that's how it should be. So yeah, so we successfully made our outlook on this, and this is what we are anticipating would most likely happen, here. All right. So let me know which other currency you want me to look into in the chat box. So if you have any preferred currency, please do let me know. All right. So while this is ongoing, let's go to USD. Or let's look at the gold. Okay, let's look at gold. All right. Okay. So we can see that here on gold, let's go to the daily time frame. Yeah. So the interesting thing to also note is that gold actually got to an all-time high level. You know, recently, as high as $2,532. So, and of course, if price gets to a level where it has not gotten to in a long time, or it has never gotten to, there is a higher chance of a reversal, right? That is just price action, because then it has gotten to a level where people then begin to take profit. All right, people then begin to take profit. Okay, so here now we can see what's going on the gold. All right, so we have a breakout candle here, and then a retracement to this level. So what are we anticipating for after this breakout and this retracement? So definitely you can see how gold has struggled within this range. Let me get gold has struggled within this range. Okay, yeah, so you can see how gold has struggled within this range. All right, now so gold has struggled within this range. Okay, and then finally a breakout happened. All right, so after some days there was, a pullback. All right, and price came to test that level where the breakout happened. All right, and now what are we looking at? So after a retest now, what are we actually looking at? So from this price movement here and this retest, there's a higher likelihood that gold keeps moving back up. All right, so here now, going down to the 4 hours time frame, so you can equally see clearly here how price came touch this level. All right, but then you can see the rejection that came in on gold at this support zone. All right, because this was a resistance zone turn support now, so you can see how price has been rejected, on this level. Now, what other interesting thing do we think would happen here? Now, what I see would most likely happen here, all right, is a push up in price. Okay, a push up in price back to that level, it goes to. All right, so that's what will most likely happen here. So what am I going to do, or what are we going to do in this regard? So what I'll be doing here is I would be placing a buy. Okay, my take profit zone. Okay, my take profit zone will be let me get this here. Okay, my take profit zone will be here, and stop loss zone will be here. All right, so my stop loss zone will be here. Let me take this down. Okay, cool. All right, so let's do that. Let's do this. Okay, so I've placed the buy. So when I come here now, I definitely see that I've placed the buy, and we've not set our take profit and our stop loss. All right, of which we would be doing now. So let's click on let's just tap on this, and then we see the edit order pop up. Now we go straight to the edit order, and then set our take profit level. Yeah, okay, good. And then we set our stop loss level here. All right, good, on gold. So then we confirm these changes. Confirming this now, boom, our orders are being set, and then we are set to win. So if this goes in our favor, we close in on a $143. If this goes against us, we close in on a minus $63. Okay, so any person dropping? Someone says please look into USDJPY for double top at 30 minutes. All right, so who else is confirming that I should analyze the USDJPY? Okay, so I really love this trade setup, so it's a good point to bought here. Okay, so let's look at the USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY. Awesome. Now let's look at the USDJPY from the monthly, from daily time frame. All right. So here on USDJPY daily time frame, we can see that there's been a consistent downward momentum. Up until this level. All right. Now let me make this white. Okay. So and then we can see how price has been fighting on this level to push back up. Okay, it's been um it's been a serious issue for price. Okay, so now what do we see price do here? Now when we come down to, because of course now we now have price like currently ranging in this box. Okay, we have price currently ranging in this box. So the question now is this: price breaking out upwards or price breaking out downwards? All right. So this is a very critical question that we need to answer, because that would actually also guide us into taking a position in the market. So now, before taking this position, let's look down to the 4 hours time frame, the lower time frame, to actually see the momentum and push ups in price. Now, if we can see here now, price had consolidated here, then falling further into this level, went up again, fell into this level, and price is trying to push back up. All right, but now looking at how sustained price has actually moved up, then dropped significantly to this support zone. All right, so we would be seeing that price would push up above this level in the future, because that's what we are actually looking at. All right, so we can see that this level where price currently is has previously been a resistance zone. Okay, it has previously been a resistance zone for price. Now, but this resistance zone now has now turned support here. Can you see that now? Because historically, we can see that this level has been, look at price came here, was pushed back. Now, this is not just the one, price had previously entered this zone and was pushed back. All right. So now, historically, now we can see that price is currently at a resistance zone turned support zone. All right. So what do we do with this information? We look at it in the lower time frame, see the momentum's coming in, and then see how price has been pushing up within this box. Now, the opportunities are there that, even if price does not break out from here, price will move from this level to touch this other part of the box, because here now price has touched this level one, touched this level twice, but here we can see that price is currently has touched this level once, trying to break out, but now the second one has to happen. All right, now that will determine if there will be a breakout, or there will be a pushback. So what are we doing on this level, or what are we doing with this information? So we go down to the you know the lower time frame. Now this is what we see, and then what do we expect from price here? So we are pushing back up. So then we set our take profit level here. Now this is for intraday traders, right? So you can set your take profit level. Your take profit level here. Let me delete that. Okay, here. All right, and of course you can use this level for your stop loss. So let's see what we are doing here. So yeah, we want to buy up this. So we are buying. We've placed our buy order. All right, and then we come here. We come to adjust our levels. Okay, so our take profit zone would be moved up. Yep, up here. Okay, good. And our stop loss will be moved down. Okay, now if you look very closely, you definitely see that my stop loss and take profits, my stop loss is like half of my take profit. So my take profit is twice my stop loss level. So this is how you can also use to mitigate against risk. All right, so the order has been set now. So I'm anticipating, my outlook on USDJPY is that market will move up, hit my take profit level. Then when there is a breakout of this zone, then we can reposition. All right, that's for intraday trading. Then if it goes against me, then I'm out of the market in a $59 loss. All right, good. Yeah, so so why am I buying gold and selling USD? All right, so like we have seen on gold. Let me It's all about market structure. Okay, it's about market structure. So when you look at it now, so when you look at this now, Euro USD is at a support zone and at a resistance zone, at the supply zone, right? Now, so what do you expect from a supply at the supply zone is to sell off, right? That is what we are seeing here. All right. So this is at a zone where price had previously gotten to historically and severally has moved back. So what do you expect price action in as a price action trader is when price gets to that same level, there's a higher chance that it's going to move back, and that's what is playing out here. All right. Now, but for that of the gold, all right, for that of gold now, here gold actually had broken through the resistance zone, which is this level here. All right, 248. Okay, now gold has broken through this resistance zone, and then this is like a pullback, the normal pullback that should happen after a breakout. All right, and of course, then after that pullback, we are expecting to see a pushback up in price. Okay, so my analysis is based on market structure. All right, not necessarily on if you are shorting euro that has dollar, and then why are you buying gold that has dollar as well? You understand? So yeah, it's all about market structure, and of course, gold and euro USD, they don't move in the same direction. Okay, so but yeah, this is based on what I would do and what I'm doing. All right, so if you can see here now, there was a breakout that happened here at the resistance zone. If this breakout had not happened, right, and then price was rejected, probably will be selling off, the gold to the next support zone. However, a breakout had occurred that changed market structure, so we have to trade in line with market structure. All right. So yeah, but of course with other risk management, because there's no perfect market. You understand? So so if market goes against my outlook, okay, I will be stopped out. All right. And then if it goes in my favor, then and that's how it is. All right. Yeah. I don't know if I've answered your question, Alami. All right. So any other question before we you know push further? So now there's something important I will need you to know, that of course we've done a quick live session now, and there's a need for you to understand risk management. Then if you are implementing a new strategy or trying to understand the market, please do well to backtest that strategy to ensure that it works, all right, before using real money with it. Okay, and also don't forget to use your stop loss order, which is very very important. All right, and then you can see the third one is trade with risk to reward ratio. In my analysis, as I pick my trades, you can see that my losses are half of my profit. So I'm looking to make twice my loss. So that should be it should be a 1 to 2, and above. So you can do a risk of 1:5, 1:10. So that's fine. But however, just make sure that you are mitigating against risk. Then risk only small percentage of per trade. So don't put in 100% into one trade. All right, risk just small percentage of a trade. Then diversify your trade. So if you are picking a trade and you are using, say you are using 0.05 lot size, and you are picking a single trade with maybe a $100 account, right? So using a 0.05 lot size is big for for a $100 account, and then using it on a single currency is actually more risky. So why not just split it? Then you are using 0.02, 0.02 for two different currency pairs. So diversify your trade. Okay. Also, avoid over leveraging. Okay, so it might just lead to blowing up your account, right? So avoid over leveraging. So when you reduce your leverage, it can also help you reduce your risk. All right. So then stick to your trading plan. So it's good you have a trading plan and then you stick to it. All right. Don't adjust your trading plan to your greed. Okay. Good. Now keep up with the market news. This time around, the excuse me, the fundamentals are very very important. Economic news are very very important. In the previous times we've seen, you know, the FOMC, updates. We've seen unemployment updates. We've seen a lot of news coming out which are shifting, the market. Now, avoid over trading. Okay. Then review and adjust your strategy regularly. So you can always refine your strategy, to fit in market condition. Yeah, and one interesting thing is this: Octa trading app is available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Please do well to download the app and then enjoy low spread, fast execution, and zero commission. And this is available to you. There are educational resources, 24/7 customer support, and a strong commitment to funds and data security. Double your deposit using the promo code. Now, this is very important. So, we have a promo code for you to double your deposit and take advantage of this promo code in just 5 steps. Number one, open the Octa Trading app or visit our official site. Go to your profile, find your promo code section in the menu, enter the promo code, and press activate. Make a deposit and enjoy your bonus. Now, a quick summary here is that we've discussed price action, all right, and also it's compatible and suitable for all traders and applicable in various scenarios, all right. So, and then of course, please don't forget the risk management rules that were stated earlier. Now, what are the key takeaways, from this session? All right. Number one, analyze in trading instruments to understand how they behave under various market conditions. Review your actions and reflect on your decision to identify what works well and what can be improved. Keep up with the latest market news and updates. Use educational resources to enhance your understanding of trading strategies and tools. So, we value your feedback, so you can always give us a feedback using the QR code, on the screen. All right, so just scan the QR code and give us a feedback on how we can improve our webinar. So I want to appreciate each and every one of you for joining this session. I see Alani said, thanks, you answered well. Yeah, so thank you, for your question. Does anyone have any other question? Please do well to drop it in the chat box. Okay, so for those who might need a quick overview on what is going on, so we can see here that on the gold now, price is currently pushing back up, from this zone. All right, good. So let's go to the 4 hours to see what price is doing. Okay, 1 hour, then 30 minutes. Okay, so you can see what is currently happening here. Okay. Okay. Good. So you can see how price is pushing back up from these levels. Okay. So let's see what is also happening on EURUSD. All right. So you can see EURUSD now. Price is pushing down. Yeah, okay, price is going down, yeah, and that makes sense. When you look at USDJPY likewise, yeah, you can equally see the price is pushing back up. All right, it's pushing up. Okay, awesome, awesome. So yeah, so of course, from what I explained, you must have seen how I set the order using the OctaTrader. So for those who are also just using the OctaTrader or signing up, you must have understand how to set and place order, using the OctaTrader. So someone is asking, at what time should we close the trade? Okay, so and that is why it's important that you set take profit and stop loss. So if the trade hits your stop loss, of course you can close it. If the trade has not hit your stop loss but is still already in profit, you can move your stop loss to your entry level and watch the trade go to the level you want it to go. And when the trade is coming down against you, you can decide to either leave your stop loss at your entry level or move it a bit above your entry level in order for you to edge in case the market moves against you. All right, good. Um, someone is asking. Manta said entry. Okay. I'm not sure I get that, but if what you meant is what time frame is best for entry, depending on you. All right. So as a swing trader, you can decide to use higher time frames like daily. All right. So, but as an intraday trader, I advise you use 4 hours, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour, 4 hours, and the daily. All right. Yeah. Okay. Any other question? Any other question? So, in the absence of no question, we have set up our trades and everything is running now. We would like to say a big thank you for joining this session. And this session holds every Thursday while we bring you valuable educational resources, to improve your learning and trading skills. So we look forward to seeing you in our every time webinar. Please don't forget to smash the subscription button and tap on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we are having our webinars. Thank you for joining, guys. See you next time. Bye.